Basic English conversation. Practice.
Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What would you like for lunch?
What would you like for lunch?
I'd like a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
I'd like ham and egg.
Okay, I will make it. What would you like to drink?
Do we have orange juice?
Yes.
I'll have orange juice.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday? I rode a bike. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. I envy you. Why? I can't ride a bike. Why don't you learn? I'm afraid of falling down.
What time is it?
This is my watch. It's cool. Can you tell time? Yes, Mom taught me. What time is it? It's 9:10. Wow, good for you. Can you tell time? Only a little.
What's this number?
Can you count? Yes, I can count to 10. What's this number? 5. What's this number? 7. What's this number? It's 14. That's right. You can count higher than 10.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? It's sunny. How was the weather yesterday? It was rainy. Did you play outside yesterday? No, I didn't. I don't like rain. Will you play outside today? Yes, I will.